How to fix Anomaly agent is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click the game in your library and then open up the properties. Now in the launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam. Now you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find in the description below. Now you will need to download and install the distributables, the 86 and the 64, both of them. You'll need to run these installers, and once you finish, it will require a computer restart. So right after doing the restart, what you need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So if you're running NVIDIA GPU, you will need this NVIDIA app to download the drivers, which you can click on download here and install the latest available update. Otherwise, you might need the AMD software if you're running AMD. Next, what you need to do is right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.